What's in a beer? Hello, this is Reinhard von Hennigs. Based on the Bavarian purity law from the year 1487, which was then later adopted in the year 1516, the beer named in the Kingdom of Bavaria should only consist out of water, barley, and hops. This purity law did not talk about yeast, probably because yeast was all over in existence, but nobody even knew that yeast was there. So therefore, we can surely add yeast to the equation. But beer is vegan by definition. I recall a couple of years ago a discussion that certain breweries would add substances from animals to avoid a foaming process. And the food watcher known as the Food Babe put out a big story that certain animal parts were used in beer. And I believe this matter was solved by now. So the good story is beer is just vegan beer by default. Whether or not you follow the Bavarian rules or not is a different story. In Germany, for example, you cannot use anything else inside and still call it beer. When I was in China, I was full of excitement to taste the beer brewed by Tsingtao Brewery, which was made after the German rules, only to realize that they do both German purity law as well as a rice-based beer. Interesting taste, I would say, not as bad as expected. But at the end, beer is a vegan product. Why am I musing about this today? Because I seem to have heard something in the TV the other day that there's a discussion about vegan beer and whether vegan beer is rather unusual or not usual. But from my European beer understanding, from the German understanding of the beer purity law, beer should be vegan, and that is the case. Cheers. Prost.